Go to the wide mouth plastic jar option. Click on the tab. Click on the starter template. With the rectangular marquee selection tool, drag across to cover the blue area. Go to the color selection area, then select the white square. Go to the Edit tab, then select Fill. Now add the label. I created this label earlier. I will make a video on label making later in this series. Resize the label to fit the front of the pot. Then select Render and wait for a few moments. Deselect the background layer. This will then make the object into a PNG image. Click one panel on the layer section. Then go to Merge Layer panel. Click Merge Layers. Create a new layer. Drag the completed pot onto it. Discard the old layer and resize the pot. Now we are all done. More projects to follow. Please like and subscribe.